Hi there, welcome to Code Development, and this is Balaji. In this video, we will see the underscore in Swift. I am so excited to share my knowledge about the underscore in Swift. In Swift, the underscore operator is used to represent the unnamed property. This means we won't use a property anywhere in our code. Then why do we need this unnamed property here? Sometimes while coding, we will have some property for the syntax for the code completion. But we won't use the property. Those unused properties we can change as underscore and called unnamed property. Let me show you some example in below topics. Ignore unused index in the for loop. Ignore values in tuples. Ignore labels in function. Ignore return values in function. Ignore values in enumeration. Ignore parameter in closure and ignore parameter in override functions. The first topic is ignore unused index in for loop. Let me create a for loop. For I in 0 to 5, print hello. Here we are printing hello for 5 times, and note that we are not using the index I value for each looping. If we are not using the index, we can delete it, right? No. As per the Swift syntax, we have to have a property for the index here. So in that case, we can use underscore. This means it's unused and unnamed property. Let's declare an array for item in array. Print item. Here we are using the item. In other case, for I in 0 to array count, print hello. Here we are not using the I. So as per our need, we can use the properties, and the unused properties we can use underscore. Click the run button. This is how we can use underscore in for loop to ignore the unused properties. The second topic is ignore values in tuples. Let's declare a tuple. Let channel name equal to A, B, C, D. Let's take the motive of our channel. It's Code Development. Let A underscore C, D equal to channel name. Print the properties. Let's declare one more tuple for the frame. Let frame equal to x of 10, y of 20, width of 100, height of 100. From this, load only width and height. We can do it like let width, height tuple equal to frame dot width and frame dot height. In another way, let it has 4 values and we are ignoring the first 2. So let underscore width value and height value equal to frame. It will split the values. Print the properties. Click the run button. This is how we can ignore the values in tuples. The third topic is ignore labels in function. Let's declare a function. Function add value 1 type of int, value 2 type of int. Let total equal to value 1 plus value 2. Print the total and call the function. Add. This is the label for the function. We can ignore this also. Let me show you. Add underscore before both labels. Now call the function. Add. See, now it only highlights the input parameters, not labels. Pass some values. Click the run button. We can ignore the label in any place in a function. It's our decision. Let me show you some other function with different label position. function add 1 underscore space value 1 type of int and value 2 type of int. Call the add 1 function, add 1 10 and value 2 of 20. Another function add 2 value 1 type of int underscore space value 2 type of int. Call the add 2 function, add 2 value 1 of 10 comma 20 and one more function add 3 value 1 type of int underscore space value 2 type of int value 3 type of int. Call the add 3 function, add 3 value 1 of 10 20 value 3 of 30. Like this we can use underscore at any position based on our need to ignore the label in function. The fourth topic is ignore return values in function. Let's declare the same addition function for this. And return the total. Let total equal to addition of 10 comma 20. Sometimes we don't need the return value from the function, so we can ignore this also, like let underscore equal to addition of 100 comma 200. Let's see one more example. Declare a function with more return values. Call the function and ignore some values in it. Print the values. Click the run button. This is how we can ignore function return values. The fifth topic is ignore values in enumeration. Let's declare an enumeration. Enum channel info, case A string of string, case B string of string, case C string of string and case D string of string. Declare a method inside it to load the first string like this. Here we need only the first string value, so declare value 1 for this and underscore for second string. In the reverse case, declare a method to load second string like this. Here declare value 2 and underscore for first string. Create an object for the enumeration and call the first string method. Create another object for the enum and call the second string method. Click the run button. And this is how we can ignore enum values. The sixth topic is ignore parameter in closure. Declare a closure function, addition and subtraction, value 1, value 2, addition closure and subtraction closure. Let total equal to value 1 plus value 2, let different equal to value 1 minus value 2. Return the values in both addition and subtraction closure. Call the function addition, subtraction, value 1 100 and value 2 50. This int for addition closure return value total and print the total. This integer for subtraction closure return value different and print it. If you don't want subtraction value, then use underscore for this. Click the run button and this is how we can ignore the parameter in closure. The last topic is ignore parameter in override functions. Let's declare a class ACD and add a function display. Create another class B extension of ACD. Override the display function while overriding. If we don't need the function parameter, we can ignore it like this. Create the object for the classes and call the display functions in both cases. Click the run button. Let's see the conclusion of the session. We have seen ignore unused index in the for loop, ignore in tuples, ignore labels in function, ignore function return value, ignore enumeration values, ignore parameter enclosure, ignore parameter in override function. And finally, wherever we don't need a property, we can use this underscore to ignore it. This is all about underscoring shift. Please know it before using it. I hope you guys understood and enjoyed the session. Thank you, bye bye, and see you in the next video.